Okay, it's me again. That's a video we just touched a little bit about how I started the house, how the house was built. I knew I'll spend 2 or 3 months a year in this house. So I just asked myself, like, well, the house is here. I can only watch so much Netflix. So I thought about starting a project that can, I can keep it busy when I'm here. During the day, have something to get up to and work at the farm. So today we'll do a little bit of that. I'll show you the activities that happens here at the farm. How the farm idea came to be was last year I brought my 2 friends with me from America, and they wanted to have turkey for Christmas, they wanted to have pig, like pork for Christmas. And in this area, last year it was very hard to get a place to get turkeys or to get pigs. And the one we're getting, they were like very, very thin and didn't have a lot of meat. In America, everything is extra size, oversized. So I thought, if I'm having a hard time getting some good pork in this area of Narumoro, Nanyuki, maybe there are other people who also having the same problem. So me being a business person, I figured, well, maybe this is something I can do, to help me when I'm here. I can spend time looking at the animals, and just keeping me busy when I'm here for 2-3 months at a time, running away from the brutal winters of Kansas. So anyway, so that's how that came to be. And now we'll take you on a short tour, and then we can now see some of the animals that we have here at the farm. Okay, here we are. So this is where the farm is. You can see these lovely geese, ducks, and turkeys. Disinfect the feet, you don't bring diseases. This is where the pig animals are. This is where the pigs, where your bacon comes from. They're a month old. They are a month old. So 1 more month and we will wean them. By weaning, we mean they'll be separated from the mother and then they'll be on their own. Yeah, these are 2 months old. So they just wean from the mother, so they're feeding on their own. Okay, so here we have doves. I like to see them get out here in the morning and get on the roof and fly. There were a couple of peacocks. The funny thing is, when I bought this, I thought I'm buying 1 female and 1 male. And as they got older, I got to realize that they're both males. And these here are booted buttons. So these are ornamental birds.